Welcome to Zoomer Vids, your comprehensive guide to building a successful YouTube channel from scratch. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of creating, growing, and monetizing your channel. Step 1. Define your niche. Choose a topic you're passionate about. And research your target audience to narrow down your niche. This will help attract a dedicated audience interested in your content. Step 2. Set up your channel. Create a Google account. Sign in to YouTube, and follow the prompts to create your channel. Customize it with a profile picture, banner image, and channel description to make it visually appealing. Step 3. Create high-quality content. Plan your content strategy. Invest in good equipment, and optimize your videos for search with compelling titles, descriptions, and tags. Engaging thumbnails are also essential to catch viewers' attention. Step 4. Upload consistently. Establish a regular uploading schedule. And experiment with different types of content to keep your audience engaged. Monitor your analytics to track performance and make necessary adjustments. Step 5. Promote your channel. Share your videos on social media. And collaborate with other YouTubers to reach a wider audience. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments and hosting live streams to build a strong community. Step 6. Monetize your channel. Join the YouTube Partner Program. Set up Google AdSense, and explore other monetization options like affiliate marketing and sponsored content. Stay updated on YouTube's policies to ensure compliance. Step 7. Engage with your audience. Build a community around your channel by actively responding to comments, asking for feedback, and hosting interactive sessions like Q&As and giveaways. And finally, Step 8. Continuously improve. Analyze your performance metrics, experiment with new ideas, and stay updated on industry trends to keep your content fresh and engaging. Happy YouTubing!